goodness gracious, one of a kind and so incredible.
Welcome to one more episode, RV East Coast. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
So today we're going to be reviewing the Blackstone 17-inch griddle. And let me tell you, this thing is fun. We are having a really good time cooking with it.
But just a disclaimer, Blackstone did not give us this or pay us or anything. It's just something actually my husband bought that he's in love with. So yeah, just something you've been using for fun.
You're not in love with it?
I'm not even allowed to touch it, I don't think.
That's how much I like it.
That's incredible.
Make sure you watch this video till the end because we're going to show you a quick dessert recipe that we like to make. It's fun for the campground.
So the first thing we like about this griddle is very easy and practical to travel with. We put it in the pantry in our trailer and it's just very easy to store it. It's very small. The other thing we like is that it's practical because you can make breakfast, you can cook lunch, and you can make dinner. Whatever you want to do, this is a really good tool to have.
Something that's nice about it is that it's propane, so we can either use the small propane tanks connected to the large propane that like you would have for your grill, or we can connect it to the propane plug-in thing at the camper.
Yeah, you can use the propane line that most campers have if you have an outdoors kitchen, and it's a breeze. It's also incredibly easy to clean. You just drizzle a little water, hit it with a hot towel, and what was that magical word you said?
Bada bing, bada bing.
And it's done just like that. So now Iron Chef Fawn is going to tell you a really awesome dessert recipe to cook on your Blackstone griddle.
So this recipe we're going to show you is something we've been doing for several years now. We used to do it on the grill back in our day of like wanting to grill everything, but we found it works even better on the griddle. It was inspired by, I think, something we read in a magazine.
Yeah, and something good about this recipe is that it's kind of healthy, or at least that friend that we all have that never wants to eat the dessert because they are super healthy and skinny, and we all hate them. Usually they want to eat it. So let's see how it's done.
So first thing you want to do is throw a little butter on your griddle, and then throw your fruit on. You can try different fruits, experiment. We'll show you today with some pineapple, some mango, some strawberries. Get a nice sear on that fruit, and then you're gonna drizzle it with some honey.
So on the other side of your griddle, you put a little bit of butter and you slice pound cake, and you're gonna toast it in the griddle. You wanna have that nice crust, like the crust that you wanna see on a grilled cheese. You want that crust in the pound cake.
And that's it. Put your fruit on top of your cake. Top it with a little bit of Cool Whip or whipped cream, drizzle with a little bit of extra honey. It's delicious, and most of our friends seem impressed, even though it's really, really not that hard to make.
So that's gonna do it for today. We really like this product. We don't have any affiliation with Blackstone. We just like it that much. We got one, we are happy we did. I might get another one, bigger one without the wife's permission, but I think you should get one too. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And this is RV East Coast. We'll see you in the next one.